Right. Ankur, just stay with us because in an exclusive conversation with the Kanpur Police Commissioner, the police is now accepting that their investigation has deduced that Shivam Mishra was indeed the driver of the car. So certainly now question marks will rise further on what was the initial response of the police. Why were they also not able to take him into custody when they were trying to go to his residence? But Kanpur Police Commissioner is now telling CNN News 18 that Shivam Mishra was indeed the one driving the car. Listen in.
लगभग 48 घंटे होने जा रहे हैं। अभी तक क्या क्या कार्रवाई हुई सर?
जैसे कि पहले एफआईआर हुई थी, उस एफआईआर में किसी का नाम नहीं था। हमारी विवेचना में जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज और जांच की गई है, उस जांच में चालक का नाम शिवम मिश्रा क्लियर हो चुका है। दलीलें उनकी तरफ से दी जा रही कि उनका ड्राइवर चला रहा था, लेकिन हमारी जांच में स्पष्ट हो गया है कि कार चालक शिवम मिश्रा थे और उनकी गाड़ी को सीज कर दिया गया है। और जो उनके परिवार से कहा गया था कि अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए उन्होंने कहा था उनका बेटा उसका मेडिकल इश्यू है, कहीं हॉस्पिटल में है, उसके लिए हम लोगों ने प्रयास करा था कल भी उनसे बात करने के लिए, लेकिन उनका घर से उन्होंने कोऑपरेशन हमको नहीं दिया। और उसके लिए हमने फिर जगह जगह जहां हमारी सूचनाएं थी उन जगहों पर अपनी टीमें भेजी, थोड़ा दबाव बनाया। तो उस दबाव के कारण आज उनके पिताजी थाना ग्वालटोली में अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए आ रहे हैं उस लड़के के बारे में कि क्या उसका इश्यू है। और जैसे हम पहले से हमारा मानना है कि सुसंगत धाराओं के अंतर्गत अभियोग पंजीकृत किया गया है और उनके पक्ष जानने के बाद लड़का विवेचना में सम्मिलित होने के बाद तत्काल जो है इस पे चार्जशीट उन्हीं धाराओं के अंतर्गत न्यायालय में प्रेषित की जाएगी। एक्सीडेंट वाली जो धाराएं लगाई हुई हैं उन धाराओं में 6 माह से लेकर के 4 धाराओं के अंतर्गत कार्रवाई की गई है। 7 साल से कम की सजा वाले केसेस में पुलिस को गिरफ्तारी का अधिकार नहीं है, न्यायालय के आदेश लेने पड़ते हैं। हमने जगह जगह जो टीमें अपनी भेजी हैं, हमारी निगरानी है कि ये इनका आगे का क्या है, लड़के को बचाने का क्या प्रयास कर रहे हैं, उसी के अनुरूप हमारी कार्रवाई की जा रही है, पूछताछ की जा रही है। जल्द से जल्द इसमें चार्जशीट न्यायालय में प्रेषित की जाएगी।
Right. So the police also accepts that the family was not cooperating initially. Ankur, clearly something went wrong with Shivam himself. If he was indeed that person behind that wheel, but the police also accepts now. He seemed to be unconscious, had froth coming out of his mouth as claimed by eyewitnesses. That's not a very good medical situation. Is he in some hospital? As the police suggest, the family has told the police that he's getting some treatment. What do we know about his whereabouts?
So even in the investigation is on and nobody knows. In fact, the police commissioner also said that we are trying to trace him and the family is not cooperating. But today his father will be visiting the police station, which was the jurisdiction of that area. So the important thing is the commissioner told the 2 things which are very important for the matter. One is the family is not cooperating, and also the police has no right to arrest. So in this case, it seems that there will be no arresting from the police side, and the cops will be filing the charge sheet as soon as possible. And it depends on the court whether they take the cognizance and start the trial.
Okay, Ankur, just stay with us. Let's break this down for our viewers further. Let's take you through the sequence of events as we've been able to put together via multiple footages, also via multiple CCTV footages. So first, the VVIP brat has allegedly rammed this Lamborghini that he was driving into pedestrians. Here, he crashed into vehicles, including the ones on your screen. These are, of course, a motorbike that has become completely crushed under the tires of the Lamborghini. This is a Royal Enfield motorcycle. But there were 6 people that were injured because of this crash. After the accident, the accused Shivam Mishra's bodyguards are seen in some sort of an argument in public. Now, the eyewitnesses suggest that they didn't misbehave with anybody. They were only trying to calm down the public because a lot of public had come to click pictures of the car. But in this sequence, you can clearly see that there are some people very agitated as far as these bouncers are concerned. And there was, of course, some altercation.